Welcome to Investomania, brother.
Let's talk about Align Technology. That's ticker symbol ALGN. Align Technology is the company behind Invisalign, that new transparent retainer trend replacing the older, outdated, traditional braces. You know, the ones you couldn't take off for a meal or brushing your teeth, or couldn't take off, maybe when you wanted to take a nice picture. Like it or not, this is the preference of millennials and Generation Z, the transparent retainers. And it's seen rapid fire adoption over the past decade, with the the Align Technologies stock up 733% in the past 5 years, with a massive 109% gain just this last year, and revenues up 37% year over year. Did you miss the long-term run, or is there still time to get in this growth story? While domestic growth will likely start to slow in the coming years, there is certainly still growth ahead for Align Technology domestically. However, they have only recently began taking international expansion seriously. They are expanding into many markets, but are focusing heavily on China, as they see a lot of runway in that particular market. Not only that, China has a tendency to adapt extremely rapidly to newly indoctrinated Western trends, meaning that explosive growth we saw domestically in years past, well, Align Technologies expects an even quicker rate of adoption in China. That's not to say there aren't bottlenecks. Very few dentists internationally are trained to provide the Invisalign services. Therefore, the company can only grow as quickly as it can train dentists. Chinese dentists want this technology, but Align Technologies only has so many people available to train the dentists. Heck, most of the trainers are still training dentists in America to do this. That's what we call a high-quality problem, but it is a problem nonetheless. Here are a few more recent updates. In July, this year, 2018, in July, Align Technologies announced they were expanding operations in Costa Rica, opening up new facilities to support long-term growth. In August, Align announced a partnership with Dental XP, that's an online dental education program, to integrate Invisalign into their curriculum. The website Real Self released a statement also last month in August, stating that it found Invisalign to be extremely popular with bride-to-bees. Women who were not quite fortunate enough to have braces when they were growing up, well, they want to straighten their teeth before their wedding. While this has always been a desire for many adults and bride-to-bees, adults typically don't want to go through years of wearing braces. However, bride-to-bees are happy to wear the Invisalign retainers because they can be removed when needed. Lastly, about 2 weeks ago, the Federal Appeals Court judged in favor of Align Technology, reversing a previous decision which had successfully challenged a patent on Align. A patent that Align held. This was an important legal victory for Align Technologies and will allow them to maintain patent protection over their technology. There are still years of growth ahead for Align Technology, particularly internationally and in China. And I say it's a buy.
That's the bottom line, 'cause Stone Cold said so.